140 Afghan Sikhs are scheduled to arrive later today in the national capital on annual pilgrimage tour to attend celebrations to commemorate 400th birth anniversary of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur. They were turned back by Taliban terrorists at Kabul airport after waiting for 15 hours in their convoy. So we are picking up this information coming in. 140 Afghan Sikhs to arrive to the national capital on the annual pilgrimage tour to attend celebrations to commemorate 400th birth anniversary of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. These were the people who were turned back by Taliban terrorists at Kabul airport after waiting for 15 long hours. Shivani is joining us with more details. Shivani, 140 Sikhs all set to reach the national capital. We saw how on Tuesday itself, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri also received some of the Afghan Sikhs there. Of course, along with 3 of the last 6 swaroops of the Guru Granth Sahib. What more can you tell us?
Kutsreen, what we are now breaking is that 140 Afghan Hindu Sikhs, they were already on their convoys on their way to emplane themselves to come to India, and 140 of them, they were not allowed by the Taliban commanders present at the Kabul airport to go further, and they did not allow them to come to India. And that is how we know that they were to arrive to India at later this evening, because we know that the flight that is coming to India, the C-17 Globemaster that's already landed in India, they were scheduled to be on this flight, but the Taliban in Kabul airport did not allow these 140 Afghan Sikhs who wanted to come to India to be a part of the 400th birth anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. And this information has been given by the Indian Forum. They have said, Puneet Singh, the president, he has said that these 146 have not been allowed by the Talibanis to leave Kabul airport. All efforts were being made for their evacuation, for their visit to India, but this could not happen because the Taliban commanders obstructed this whole movement in Kabul airport. And this has also come with an appeal from the forum that Taliban should facilitate this kind of movement. If anybody wants to go and attend a religious function, then it should be facilitated, and this appeal has also come. But as of now, the breaking update is that these 146 who were on their way, who wanted to come to India, they kept waiting for more than 15 hours in their convoys, but they were denied the permission by the Taliban to reach to Indian aircraft and to come to India. So there's a lot of reaction also coming in, Christine, from all the leaders. The leaders who have come recently to India from Afghanistan, they have also raised concerns about this kind of obstructions being created by the Taliban in Afghanistan on the movement of Afghan Sikhs to India, because we know that the efforts are being made from the MEA side to evacuate and to facilitate the movement of people who are stranded in Afghanistan. And this was particularly a religious visit that has been obstructed by the Taliban.